Okay, I want to share with all of you about how to make house in the hillside in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make the basic shape with rectangle. Okay, approximately just like this. I have to push it up, maybe just like this. Okay, then we have to make the contour with a freehand. Okay, then we can start from the point, from the corner bottom of the point, and then we can draw it with another. We can draw it by our design of the contour. But I suggest you to use the tape measure tool. Start from here, and then you can track the um, measurement of the contour of this hillside. Maybe okay, you can draw it manually with the tape measure tool, so you can get the perfect contour on this design. Okay, so then you can use the freehand, click, and then start from here, and then you can draw it manually in this area. Okay, so you can draw it manually, and okay, maybe it's about the creativity of all of you about how to make the hillside. Okay, this one, and you can delete for some unnecessary line like this. Okay, you can delete some unnecessary line. Okay, so you can get the two surfaces of this hillside, and then you can push it until the limit. Okay, so you can push it to the limit. You can push it to the appropriate line side as you want. Okay, so you can delete some unnecessary line right there. So you can delete some unnecessary line, and then you can triple click, right click, and make group. And then you can select the landscaping. You can select the grass, and then click on this position. And you can also set the soften or okay about this side, so you can get the um, dimension, so you can get the surfaces clearly. Look, okay, this is for example. Then okay, then I will share to all of you about how to make house in this, how to make a simple house in this hillside. In this video, I just want to share about the start from the structure system. I want to share about the structure system. Okay, so you can draw the structure system by using this tape master tool again. Then you can start click from this until this position, and then you can click until this position. Okay, this until this position. Okay, then you can try to click, or maybe you can set the contour, or you can set the hillside with a white material first to make easy, to make you easy as possible. Anyway, okay, so you can see about the area. Then you can click this step measure tool, and then click to this from this position until this position, and then this another position. So you can determine your structure system from this area. Okay, until this position, and then you can start making the structure. You can start making the structure, and don't forget to make another structure design of yours, and you can use the tab measure tool to maximize it. Okay, then we have to make the rotate rectangle. Start from here until this position, and then to drag to this line. Then we can click and then push it to the another position, make group, and then you can also move and duplicate until and place to this to the another position, and then you can click this guideline and move and press Control, and then press to the another position also. Then you can click this one, you can click this one and place to the another position. Okay, so you can click this rotated rectangle, and then you can click this one, and then you can click on this appropriate position. Okay, click and place on this position, triple click and make group. Then you can click, move, and press Control and place on this position. Okay, so you can get this basic structure, or maybe you can pull it down to make your foundation stronger. It's depend on the structural analytic and structural calculation of your engineer anyway. Or if you engineer, you can calculate about the appropriate dip about the line side on this area. Okay, so then you can click this object. You can click this column. Can click this column. And then you can move and press Control and place on this to the another position. Maybe just something like this. Okay, I mean this is about 4.5 meters anyway. Then you can draw your basic structural using a rectangle. Okay, and then you can triple click and make group, and then you can move and press Control and place on this position. You can move, press Control and place on this position also, and then you can adjust for this structural system. Then you can move again and duplicate again. Okay, and then you can rotate it and copy with a rotated tool. Uh, this position, then you can move and place on this position. Then you can make it shorten as the appropriate dimension, and then you can move and press Control until this position, and then you can place on this position. Okay, so then you can click, and then you can select move and press Control until this position. So you can move. You can select move and press Control to get the appropriate structural system. It's depend to the structural analytic and structural analysis and structural um, calculating. So I suggest you to discuss with your engineer anyway. Okay, so you can adjust this structural system, and then you can also make the cantilever. You can also make the cantilever for every single side on this area. Okay, you can click this one, and you can place to the another position. Then you can adjust for every single structure right there. Then you can click, and then it's like move, press Control, and then you can place to this position. Then you can click and move to the another position. Click and move to the another position, and you can connect for every single structural. This is about the cantilever. And also you can make the cantilever. You can make the cantilever start from here. Okay, then you can rotate it and then place on this position. Then you can push. Okay, and then you can push it until this position. Okay, this is about the cantilever system that you have made, or if you need about the cantilever system of your house in the hillside anyway. Okay, you can triple click, make group, and don't forget to make the another column. Don't forget to make the another column on the another appropriate position. For example, just like this, it's just schematic. It's just schematic 3D modeling. So you can adjust by yourself to make it more better and um, more calculated about the dimension anyway. Okay, and then you can also make the another bracing. You can also make the another bracing area for the structure, because in my opinion the bracing is the important things to stabilize your structure, especially in this hillside, in this contoured side. So you can use the rectangle again right here. Then you can offset. Okay, you can push, and then you can triple click, right click, and make group, and then you can uh, press Q, and then you can uh, place to the appropriate position. Click. Okay, so you can place on this position. Then you can click, right click, and explode and make group, and then you can select a mirror. Then you can press Control, and then you can click the red axis. Okay, so you can get the result about it. So you can click and you can move and press Control to duplicate about for every single grid structural system. Um, it just for example, but I suppose to you about how to make the system bracing system in this SketchUp. Okay, so you can click this bracing only, and then you can right click and make group, and then you can select move and press Control until this position, and then you can rotate it. You can rotate it. Okay, and then type 90 degree. Then you can select move and place to the another position. Okay, so you can uh, click this one. Okay, so you can place on this position, and then you can select move, place on this position. Okay, so you can move and duplicate again until this position, and move and duplicate again to the another position, and also move, duplicate, and move and duplicate. So I mean it was um, easy to all of you about how to make it. Okay, this is for example. So you can explore more for the another structural in the behind of this house or of this structural house, and so we can use the rectangle. You can use a rectangle. Start from here until here for example. And then you can push it up until this position. Right click and make group. And also we can use the tape measure tool. Start from here until here, maybe about it's about 900 millimeter. Okay, then we can make the line right here. We can make the line on this intersection approximately like this. Okay, just like this, and then we can adjust for the floor material. We use wood, and you can adjust this, and you can adjust this for the outdoors, and also you can rotate for the texture as you want for making it better look. Okay, so you can draw, and now you can draw the wall of the house by using rectangle right there. Then you can push it up, for example, just like this, and then you can um, the height of the okay, the height of this house is approximately okay, it's about 3 meters more, 3 meters only. So you can um, slice it with the protector. Okay, you can use the protector, and then you can adjust it by click protector. You can click this point and click this point, and then just move your cursor on this position. Okay, this one. Then you can draw the line through the white line. Then you have to push it until the limit. Okay, so you can get the result for it. You can offset it inside. Okay, maybe it's around 150. Okay, so you can offset it until the limit, so you can get the space in here, and then you can triple click, right click, and make group, and then you can also make the, maybe it's just for a glazing railing for balcony only. Triple click and click, and then you can select this one, and then you can select this one, and then you can, I'm sorry, you can triple click, and I'm sorry, you have to close this every single line, and then you can get the plane. Then you can push it up until 1 meter for a railing system and make group, and you can um, use glass to adjust your material like this. And then you can also making the large window from here. You can making the large window, for example, just like this. Okay, then you can fill the space about the solid window. Okay, this one, and then you can make the another element. Maybe it's just for example. This is a simple example of the house, and this is a simple example of the house because I concern on the structural system of the um, hillside house like this. And also you can adjust the material with the roof. You can adjust the material with the roofing, so you can set the material with a roof single asphalt, or you can set this one to be metal standing, just like this. Okay. Okay, so you can get um, the color. You can set the color RGB. You can move to the right all, or you can move the left all. It's depend on your style. But in the end, you can adjust this grayscale value of this color of the house. Okay, then you can delete some unnecessary line, and also you can make the another component such as a cantilever or canopy, just like this. Maybe for example, and then you can triple click and make group, and then it's done. And then you can adjust for the wood material. You can using the wood material on this bottom structure like this. Okay, you can adjust for the wood material, so you can get the representative material of the structural system of this house, of this hillside house. That this hillside house is made from wood material that construct to support the house on the top of this structural system of the house. Or if you want to make this from metal, from iron, you can only adjust it by using the metal material. Okay, I think it's enough. So you can just click all of this host component and right click and just make group, and you can move it to the appropriate position. Okay, just like this, and then you can just adjust it for this position, maybe approximately like this, or maybe approximately just like this one. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit of you. And for disclaimer, the structural system is only simple. It's only schematic example. So for explore, you have to discuss with your structural engineering for adjust the structural in the hillside like this. So you have to determine about the access system and about the circulation and many more aspect about the architectural design and interior design of this house design. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And just wait for my next tutorial. And have a good day.